The accidental discovery of the microwave oven. Percy Spencer, a Raytheon engineer, accidentally discovered the microwave oven in 1946. While testing a magnetron, a device generating microwaves for radar, Spencer's pocketed chocolate bar melted. Curious, he experimented with popcorn kernels, eggs, and coffee, observing rapid heating. Intrigued, Spencer refined his design, creating the first microwave oven using a modified magnetron and wooden box. His initial 5-foot-tall, 750-pound prototype evolved into the commercial radar range in 1954, revolutionizing cooking forever.